So I'm going to show you how to assign a quiz in assignments. So I'm going to go into my master class. I just set one up here, but I'm going to go to assignments to show you. I'm going to click create, and then I have the option to choose assignment, quiz, or from existing. So when you choose quiz, it's going to bring up this window that has your forms. So you have to have it set up in forms. You can click new form and it'll send you directly there, but I like to set it up ahead of time. So if I have my forms open, I'm going to go back. Make sure you click new quiz and not new form. We want it to be a quiz because it's going to grade it for us. So I'm going to call this practice quiz 2. Add new. What is your answer to number 1? Choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4. You're going to make sure that you choose a correct answer. Put in your point values because otherwise it can't grade it for you, and at the top it should tell you the running total of points, and I always click required. So now I'm going to choose, let's say, a text one. Enter your answer to number 2. 0.5 is the correct answer. I then like to add other possible answers, so just 0.5, maybe they put in 1/2, things like that. You can change the point value if you want. I can make this at a 1 point. It's automatically required because I made the previous one required, but you can click these 3 dots and put a restriction on it, so they have to enter a number. So for example, if it was something with units and they entered cm instead of the full word of centimeters, it would come out wrong if you just put centimeters. So it's a little finicky when it's grading automatically for the short answers. So that's why I like to include a bunch of different answers. And I also like to give them restrictions. If you want, you could even add a subtitle, and I'll put like enter your answer in reduced form as a decimal. Okay, and that'll show up for them as like directions to the question. So if I clicked preview, that's what they would see here. They'll see the point values for each question. I also like to go to the 3 dots here and go to settings, and it automatically shows results for the kids. I like to turn that off if I'm doing it as a quiz, but that's up to you. So now I'm going to go back to my TMs. I'm going to create a quiz. Practice quiz 2. And it's going to name it. It's going to upload the quiz for me. Please complete this exit quiz. It has 3 points possible. That's defaulted because that came from the quiz, so I can't edit that. I can choose what teams I want to send it to. If you're doing from your master class to multiple classes, you can obviously edit. I'm going to click assign. It's going to show up here. Practice quiz 2. It just came up here, so if I go back to my posts under general, it's going to show up. I can click view assignment, and then I could see what the student view would look like. Please complete this exit quiz. They would click on this and it would go directly to it. To see how to grade or how to post grades for a quiz, there's another video for that if you want to learn that as well.